I think my mic was off. Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's meditation. Today, we're going to be focusing on peace that surpasses understanding. Now, we've done a few over the last several months on peace, and that's because it really is a beautiful place to sit and just be present and listen for any guidance that might come your way, and to just be renewed and restored in that energy of peace. So, without further ado, let's get started. We always begin with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. We'll go through a very simple guided meditation where we will lift our spirits just slightly above ourselves and sit in this quiet place. When we are done, we will pull ourselves back in and close with the 23rd Psalm. So, just fair warning, if you hear somebody screaming, it's the teenager next door. The windows are now open. She doesn't like getting up for school. So just enjoy that scream as a way of bringing your attention back into the peace. All right, everybody, enough fooling around. Let's take a deep breath and relax. Close your eyes and invite your body to relax and let go. Invite your body to just be at peace with itself, unwind, and be one. Scan your body now from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And should anywhere you feel tightness or discomfort, invite that part of you to let go. It's just a temporary block. Invite it to let go so you can just fully be present to the energy of peace and not to any discomforts. Now let's bring our attention to the top of our head and begin with our prayer of protection. As we approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, we throw about ourselves the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. And now notice at the top of your head and at your third eye, which is on your forehead between your eyebrows, a slight vibration. These are the points where the divine continuously feeds his spirit into our body, carrying all gifts, all support, all love, and all peace at all times. We're going to now put our attention on that piece of that energy that is filled with the peace that surpasses understanding, and we're going to pull it into our bodies. I'm noticing it as this beautiful ribbon of pink. You may notice it as a bright light, as doves, whatever it is. Hold on to that energy and let's follow it into our bodies, moving into our heads, into our throats, our chest, our solar plexus, our stomachs, our seat, legs, and feet, and out it goes. Just it's flowing constantly into us. Before we arise, let's let that peace just permeate for a moment through our whole body. Notice how even the cells start to relax. Your bones are finding peace. Your skin is finding peace. your eyes, your ears, your organs, in this perfect, peaceful place that your body is in. Let us bring our spirits up to sit with the divine in this peace. So, from our second chakra, just below the belly button, let us rise up to 3 inches above our belly button. Bring our attention now as we rise the energy up to our heart, our throat, the middle of our head. And as we arise, we say, "Arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker." Sitting in this perfect energy of that peace that Christ says is available to us, the peace that surpasses understanding. Just sit in it, enjoy it, feel it, and be open to hearing from the divine any messages you need. Take a moment and just be thankful and grateful and send that up back to the divine, thanking for the time that he or she is spending with us. And as we pull ourselves back into our bodies, coming in and settling, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Okay, guys, we started the week with a rough start. We ended with a rough start. Looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Bye now.